Hey kids, how about a quick project? So you've decided to do some next level gunsmithing at home. And however you came about it, you've got a shotgun barrel that's got some pitting in it. And you've removed the rust, and inside the barrel now there's some pitting that you need to get rid of so you can go out and shoot it. So you need to hone it. Basically you need to polish the inside of the barrel. So you're going to do a bunch of searching on the internet and you're going to find these. Flex hone for firearms. This one, for example, is the 10 gauge 400 grain, 400 grit. All right, this is what they look like. They go on the end of your drill. All right, put it on the end of your drill. You don't drop it, and you get it. You put honing oil on it, and you basically are honing the inside of the barrel until it's a smooth, shiny bore. All right, so this is the 10 gauge 800 grit, or 400 grit. So 10 gauge 400 grit. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Home Depot and you're going to get yourself 10-foot length of 3/4 inch PVC. All right. Now the tubes they come in are cardboard, right? You're going to get oil all over them. This is after only one use. I've got oil on it. It's cardboard. The ends, the little caps that they come with, these nice, I can't even find one that's still here. Little caps, they pop out and they fall out. So you take your 10-foot, 3/4 inch PVC. You cut it to exactly 3-foot lengths. All right. At the Home Depot when you're there, pick up your 3/4 inch caps. And you're gonna make yourself these guys right here. All right. Just like this. All right. And what that is, oh, you're making good quality storage tube things. Right. We're making long-term, good quality storage tubes for these. It's hard with one hand to take the cap off. Be right back. All right. You cut them to 3 foot. So this is the 10 gauge. 10 gauge fits in it just fine. Of course, it doesn't like my tape labeled it with. I'm going to take that off now that I've got tubes. But see, it fits in there just fine. Put the cap on it and label it. Like, you know, here I've got the shorts. Here's the 12 gauge 400 grit, right there, in its storage tube. There you go. And now you have a good long-term storage system for your gun barrel hones. There you go. Easy enough. You can go ahead and you can glue, PVC glue one cap on, like your bottom cap, on. Remember that when you put them away after you start using them, you're going to have they're going to have a lot of honing oil on them. And you're going to want to leave that honing oil kind of on there so that it doesn't rust. And then having it, of course, inside the PVC storage system, it's going to keep it from rusting. It's going to keep it from breaking down. And they're going to last a long time. So there you go. Enjoy. I hope this helps. If you like it, do me a favor, do the like and subscribe thing. Thanks. Love you.